Hi guys, hope you're well. I just thought I'd do a quick update on our Galvanic Iontophoresis mask, just because we've slightly changed the packaging and also changed the way you set up the mask. So our mask now comes in a paper envelope, so that is recyclable, and it's got instructions on the front and also on the back of how to use the mask, and you can scan the little QR code as well. And then what we've done differently here is your mask now will be in a smaller bag, but instead of pouring the serum into the mask, what you're going to do now is you're going to actually put the mask in with the serum. So the serum packet first, give it a really good massage to mix up all that beautiful serum. And then what you're going to do, clear a little bit there at the top, and then you're going to open the mask like so. Perfect. Okay, I'm just going to sit that up for a sec. Then you're going to grab your mask out. You can reuse this if you like. And then what I like to do is just do a little loose fold like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to slide that into the serum packet. Okay, make sure you get it quite far down, and then just very slowly massage from the bottom and just move that serum up to cover the whole mask. Like so. And then you're going to leave that there for a couple of minutes so it all soaks in before you apply. Okay, hope this helps.